Well, springtime is a really exciting time. It always is because there's a lot of new life, a lot of things happening right here on the farm. So new baby animals, that's the most exciting thing. We've got lambs, we've got kids, baby goats, and we've got an alpaca that's looking after them all. I mean, we couldn't do it without them, to put it frankly. So we've got 11 acres here and a lot of it is weeds and scrub, things like lantana, blackberries, things you don't really want on a farm. So the goats in particular eat that scrub and get rid of it for us. All the animals provide great manure. We have a whole new harvest really, so we're just doing the tail end of our winter veggies at the moment. We're really harvesting those, pulling them up and getting the beds ready for spring. So what does it mean for a farmer? It's a whole new shift in thinking. You're dealing with different weather conditions as well. We're likely to get a bit more rainfall at this time of year, a lot more sun, so you want to make sure everything that's in the ground now is ready for people's springtime and summertime veg boxes. It's a good time to be coming out and getting out of the house because everyone's been probably stuck indoors a lot. It's been winter, it's been a pandemic. So springtime, come see us on the farm. What have we got planned? So 1 hour tours for kids and come and see what we do on the 11 acres. So we'll spend that whole hour walking around the farm. You'll get to see those baby animals I mentioned. You'll get to see how we do these market gardens. We'll give you some information and background about what Green Connect does and how we work and what this is as a business. We were set up specifically to employ refugees and young people in the Illawarra. So there's a lot of unemployment at the moment, but there has been historically as well. Right here at Lake Heights / Wollongong, where we're situated, there's been intergenerational unemployment for young people in particular. And then obviously any former refugees that come to Australia might have some barriers to employment. So we're set up to address that, which is why we employ a lot of former refugees and young people on the farm right here.